And today I'll be showing y'all this beautiful look. As y'all can tell, oh, it's just to die for. And yeah, I literally just mixed up some colors, and honestly I just love this look, and I'm gonna keep on using it. So my lashes looks like it's coming off, but whatever. I'm gonna show y'all in this video how I create this look, so please stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so I have done this eye off of camera. I'm going to show y'all how I do it in this eye, of course. Okay, so first I'm just going to put a little bit of the concealer that I have. And mind you that I don't have any of the base of my face done. I'm going to do that last. I always like to do my eyes first if I am going out somewhere and I decide that I want to do my eyes. I do my eyes first because it takes me forever. Okay. So we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, of course. And I'm going to use this color in the transition. Okay. Okay, so like I said, I used this shade. I also dabbed just a little bit of that to deepen the look. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this teal color. It looks so pretty. I've always wanted to try this out. We're just gonna dab it right here. Only the eyelid part, not outside. Okay, and that same first color that we had, whatever that's left over on your brush, just put it underneath. Now we're just gonna add whatever's left over on this one and just put it underneath also, on top of that brown color. Okay. Now I'm gonna use the concealer to carve out the outer part. I'm gonna use this mirror so I can see better. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna do the hard part, which is adding liner. What do you call it? The eyeliner. It's the sparkle one. We're going to apply this Urban Decay eyeliner, glitter eyeliner, and it's in the shade Midnight Cowboy. I really want the silver version because I'd be always needing it. Wish me luck. Okay, now that's done. I'll be adding this NYX, like always. I'll be adding this NYX pencil, but since I have green under, it's gonna turn like light green instead of bright white. You'll see right now. As you can tell, I added that NYX pencil. It looks like a bit light green, but it's okay. Now, I'm just gonna finish my whole face off camera and I'll be back, and then, yeah. So, I'm back, you guys. I just popped some color in the inner corner of my eye. Yeah, and my son just woke up from his nap, so I came to a different room. He wants me to be here, and yeah, as you can tell, I have a color in the inner corner of my eye, and I pop up some lashes, and let me just show y'all. I chose this for the inner corner of my eye, and oh my god, I think I'm getting a runny nose. And oh, the lipstick, I have this from Lip Stories in the shade of Yum Yum. It is so cute and so creamy. And honestly, I just literally messed up with colors and it came out so pretty. Like, I'm loving this. But yeah, oh my god, I love this look. Okay, you guys, well, this wraps up the video. Please give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe, and yeah, leave a comment if you have any other suggestions for me to create another look, a type of color. Thank you very much for supporting me as well, and we almost hit into 200 subscribers, y'all. Hey, I don't know what to call y'all, but y'all are just like my personal friends, family, whatever you can call it. But honestly, I have to say, I am the most very shy person ever, but every time I flip this video, like at this camera, and try to record myself, it's like this phone is my best friend, y'all. Like, it's like, I'm like, really? But it sounds so hilarious, but y'all keep me motivated, and yeah, love y'all all so much. And yeah, thank you for watching.